this video, I'm going to share with you how you can add your favorite photo as your desktop wallpaper on your MacBook. If you find this video useful, consider to subscribe, like, and you can also leave a comment. Let's get straight into it. So all you need to do is you are going to go in your system settings. When you go in your system settings, on the sidebar here, you are going to see where it is saying wallpaper. You're going to click on wallpaper, and then different types of wallpaper are going to pop up here, and then you can choose from anyone that you want to use from here, and then you can just click on it, and then you're going to have your wallpaper. So let's try one of them. Let's see which one we can try. Let's try this one. So we are going to choose this one, and it has changed. The wallpaper has changed, or the desktop wallpaper has changed. Or if you want, you can go to add photo. This is where you will now add your image or photo from your saved photos. So when you click on here, you're going to go to where it's saying from photos. So you click on from photos, and here you're going to see a lot of different photos that you've saved on your desktop. So let's choose this one, and then you see that it has changed. And then if you want to go back to another one, we can just choose any one of them from the gallery as well, just like this, and then we can have a different wallpaper. So this is how you can add your wallpaper on your desktop on your MacBook.